Very good day, ma'am. My name is Vijay Kaura with my group, and today we are going to present our presentation on topic budget for rural development. As the great Mahatma Gandhi said, that India lives in its villages, so it is very important budget. 13 points are given in the agriculture plan 2019, 2020, 2020, 2021, irrigation and rural development budget. So first one is Secretariat. Provision is for expenditure on Secretariat or Department of Rural Development. Grants to Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. The corporate aims to involve the people through non-governmental voluntary organization in the implementation of development programs as also in need-based innovation projects. The scheme is merged with NIRD PR and the other central expenditure from FY financial year 2020.
Okay, so my name is Kapil Singh Tomar and I am here to present a budget. So the Socioeconomic and the Card Census Survey, the provision is to conduct the SEEC survey to identify the rural household living under deprivation who could be targeted under various ministry programs of the ministry. And the next is the grants to National Institute of the Rural Development. The Institute of the Rural Development is an apex institute for training in research and rural development in India. The Gramin Vikas Bhavan provision for the Gramin Vikas Bhavan is for construction of office buildings. And the Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, under this scheme assistance is provided for the person of 60 years and belongings to the family which is living below the poverty line. The national benefit scheme, under the scheme BPL household is entitled to lump sum amount of money on the death of the primary breadwinner of the family, and the assistance of amount of rupees is 20,000. The Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, under the scheme central assistance at rupees 300 per month is provided in the age of group between 40 to 79 years. The Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, under the scheme central assistance at the rate rupees 300 per month is provided to a person aged between 18 to 79 years with several of multiple disabilities and belongings to family living below poverty line. The further slides continued by Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddharth Bopte. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. To realize the goal of housing for all by 2022, the government is implementing the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana from 1st April 2016. Under PMAG, 1 crore Pakka houses are to be constructed in rural areas of the country by March 2019. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana was launched by the Union Government on 25th December 2000 to provide all-weather road connectivity to the eligible unconnected habitation as per core network. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rural Mission aims at delivery of integrated project-based infrastructure, development of economic activities and skill development in rural areas. Allocation in the union budget for various flagship schemes under the Department of Rural Development was marginally reduced to 1.20 lakh crore for the year 2020 to 2021 from rupees 1.22 lakh crore in 2019 to 2020, while the funds allotted for employment guaranteed scheme Manrega came down by rupees 9,500 crore during the same period. As per the union budget documented table by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Parliament, rupees 61,500 crore has been allocated for the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme Manrega for the year 2020 to 2021, down by the more than 13%, came down from the total of estimated expenditure of rupees 2019 to 2020, which was at 71,000 crore. The allocation for the Department of Panchayati Raj has increased account of higher fund allotted to Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan for estimated expenditure of rupees 465 crore in 2019 to rupees 857 crore in 2020-21. Speaking on the importance of Panchayati in her budget speech, Sitharaman said the government vision is all that public institution at Gram Panchayat level such as Anganwadis, health and wellness center, government school, PDS outlets, post offices and police station will be provided with digital connectivity. Now further slides is continued by Dushyant Jain.
Hi, I am Dushyant Jain. As per the Union Budget document tabled by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Parliament, Rs 61,500 crore has been allocated for the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes for the year 2020 and 21, down by more than 13% from the total estimated expenditure for 2019 and 20, which was at Rs 71,181 crore. Now conclusion. First, the whole budget has shown a positive steps towards rural development. Second, the government has allocated budget of 1,44,817 crores in rural development. Third, these schemes are directly benefiting the backward and rural people, ensuring full utilization of the budget. Fourth, a full-fledged budget was presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for the year 2020 and 21. So, thank you.